Welcome to today's class of chapter 4, that is practical geometry. Well, here we shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. When 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. When other special properties are known. So let us learn about them one by one with the help of the questions given in the exercise. First of all, let us learn about when the lengths of 4 angles and a diagonal is given. So we will start with exercise 4.1 question 1. Number 3. Construct the following quadrilateral. Number 3 says construct parallelogram MORE where side OR is equals to 6 cm and RE is equals to 4.5 cm, as well as diagonal OE is equals to 7.5 cm. Well, for a parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal. Hence, as it is given to us that OR is equals to 6 cm, we can say that ME will also be equals to 6 cm. And as RE is equals to 4.5 cm, we can say that OM will also be equals to 4.5 cm. Now, to construct a parallelogram, we will have to follow the following steps of construction. Draw OR of length 4.5 cm. Now, taking O as center, draw an arc of radius 7.5 cm. Similarly, taking R as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm which intersects the arc drawn of radius 7.5 cm. And here name the point of intersection as E. Then join OE and RE. Now, taking E as center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm, and similarly taking O as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm which intersects the arc drawn of radius 6 cm, and here name the point of intersection as M. Here also join OM and EM. Thus, in this way we can construct the required parallelogram MORE. Now let us go through the second concept, which says when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Well, to understand this concept we will take help of an example given in exercise 4.2, which says construct the following quadrilateral. Number 1, quadrilateral LIFT. Here the length of side LI is 4 cm, side IF is 3 cm, side TL is 2.5 cm and diagonal LF is 4.5 cm, whereas length of diagonal IT is 4 cm. Well, here we are supposed to construct a quadrilateral LIFT, and so to construct it we will follow the following steps of construction. Draw a line segment LI of 4 cm. Now, taking radius of 4.5 cm, draw an arc with L as center. Also, draw an arc of 3 cm taking I as center which intersects the first arc at F. Here, join FI and FL. Now, draw another arc of radius 2.5 cm taking L as center and of 4 cm taking I as center which intersects at T. Here join TF, TI and TL. Thus, in this way we can construct the required quadrilateral LIFT. Now let us understand the third concept of when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known with the help of question given in exercise 4.3, which says construct the following quadrilateral PLAN. Here length of side PL is 4 cm and length of side LA is 6.5 cm. Here we are also given with the angles, angle P as 90 degree, angle A as 110 degree and angle N as 85 degree. Well, to construct the quadrilateral PLAN, here we will require to find the value of angle L, and as we know that for a quadrilateral the angle sum is 360, we can find L using the angle sum property. Therefore, angle P plus angle A plus angle N plus angle L will be equals to 360 degree because of the angle sum property of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here on placing the values of angle P, angle A and angle N, we can find the value of angle L, which will be as angle L will be equals to 360 degree minus 90 degree plus 85 degree plus 110 degree, which will be equals to 360 degree minus 285 degree, which gives us the value of angle L as 75 degree. Now we will follow the following steps of construction in order to construct the quadrilateral PLAN. Well, here draw a line segment PL of 4 cm. Now construct an angle of 90 degree at P and produce the side PN. Also construct an angle of 75 degree at L and with L as center draw an arc of radius 6 cm which intersects at A. Similarly, construct angle A equals to 110 degree at A and produce side AN which intersects PN at N. Well, thus in this way we can construct the required quadrilateral PLAN. Now let us understand as in how to construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given with the help of exercise 4.4. Well, the question says construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral DEAR. Here the value of side DE is 4 cm, side EA is equals to 5 cm, side AR is equals to 4.5 cm and the value of angle E is 60 degree, whereas the value of angle A is 90 degree. Well, we will have to follow the following steps of construction in order to construct the required quadrilateral DEAR. Here draw a line segment DE of 4 cm. Now at point E construct an angle of 60 degree. Taking radius 5 cm, draw an arc from point E which intersects at A. Construct angle A equals to 90 degree and draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm with center as A which intersects at R. Here join RD. Thus in this way we can construct the required quadrilateral DEAR. Now we will learn about how to construct a quadrilateral when some special properties are known. With the help of exercise 4.5. Number 1 says construct the square READ with RE equals to 5.1 cm. Well, here we are supposed to construct a square READ, and for square we know that all 4 sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree. Here as RE is equals to 5.1 cm given, we can say that EA will be equals to AD which will be equals to DR which will be equals to 5.1 cm, as all sides of square are equal. Now we will have to follow the following steps of construction in order to construct the square READ. Well, here draw RE of length 5.1 cm. Now at point E construct an angle of 90 degree and draw an arc of radius 5.1 cm which intersects at point A. Also, at point R, draw an arc of radius 5.1 cm, and at point A, draw an arc of radius 5.1 cm which intersects the first arc at D. Now join AD and RD. Thus, in this way, we can construct the required square, that is READ. Here, let us check one another example about parallelogram OKAY, where OK is equals to 5.5 cm and KA is equals to 4.2 cm. Well, we know that for parallelogram, the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So, in order to construct a parallelogram OKAY, we will have to follow the following steps of construction. Draw a line segment OK of length 5.5 cm. Here, draw an angle of 90 degree at K and draw an arc of radius KA equals to 4.2 cm which intersects at point A. Draw another arc of radius AY equals to 5.5 cm and at point O, draw another arc of radius 4.2 cm which intersects at Y. Now join AY and OY. Thus, in this way, we can construct the required parallelogram OKAY. Well, here I have solved each type of questions given in each of the exercise and request you to solve rest by yourself. Thank you.